Welcome to our tutorial on how to write an interesting hook for a biography introduction. Whether you're writing a book or a school report, having a strong hook is essential to grab your reader's attention and keep them engaged. No one wants to read a boring biography. So how do we make it interesting? A hook can be a shocking fact, a quote, or a question. Now let's try some examples. So, a shocking fact. Sir Isaac Newton was born premature and had little to no chance of survival. Here's an example of a quote and how to use it in your writing. If you ever wondered how the planets first started orbiting, then you're not alone. Isaac Newton once said, "Gravity explains the motions of the planets, but it cannot explain who sets the planets in motion." Now let's see an example of a question. Ever wondered how Isaac Newton discovered the laws of gravity and motion that still shape our understanding of the universe today? Let's find out. Finally, remember to use descriptive language to paint a picture in the reader's mind. This can be a strong image or a vivid metaphor that gives a sense of the subject's personality or impact. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this one. Happy writing!